Tuesday, September 9, 2025. Saint Peter Claver. Focus. All the crowd sought to touch him, for power came out of him and healed them. I picture this wonderful scene. Crowds flocking to touch Jesus and miracles taking place. Everyone is happy, excited and graced. It is their faith that cures them. As I watch to yearn to touch Jesus myself, would that not must be the wonderful thing to happen? Then I realize that I already touched Jesus when I receive him in the Eucharist. Wonders occur in the Lourdes, Porta and other places because of the deep faith of the people. I too experience Christ's touch when the fire of faith within helps me conquer my selfishness and spend time listening to and loving others. Many share that receiving Jesus worthily makes them feel positive, grateful and blessed. Christ's touch keeps them rooted in him and established in the faith, abounding in thanksgiving. Touched by Jesus, Peter Claver gave his life totally for the African slaves in Colombia. He ministered to the starving and fear-struck unfortunates who often arrived almost dead, providing them immediate relief with medicines, biscuits, brandy, tobacco and lemons. As with Christ, people were often healed by the mere touch of Peter's cloak. Such was Peter Claver's faith. He is said to have touched 3 lakh hearts with Christ's gospel. Fruit. I shall seek the gift of faith and believe that God has already granted my prayer as I serve the sick and suffering in small ways or big.